Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when League of Legends play button is not working. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you can try to do is go ahead and open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to go and scroll down until you will see Vanguard user mode service. After that, you want to expand it and you will see VGC file. You want to right click on it, click stop. After that, you should face some error, and then you want to go ahead and again click on it and click start. Once you will do all of these, if that still didn't fix the problem and you cannot click on play button, another thing you can try to do is go ahead to this specific path, which is a local disk C, Riot Games, League of Legends config. Once you are here, you want to delete all of the config files. And after that, open up League of Legends and it should fix your problem. If the problem still persists, you want to again go to Task Manager and find all of the files related to League of Legends. So for example, these ones, you want to go ahead and end the task to all of them. Then Riot Client also. And again, Vanguard Train notification is also should be ended the task. And that's pretty much it, guys. And that's what you can try to do to fix this problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.